Okay, so today I'm gonna summarize arrays. So arrays is just a list of other other JavaScript values. Here's an example of array. Why should we care about arrays? Say that you want to use a program to keep track of the different kinds of dinosaurs that you know about. You create a value for each dinosaur like this. So there's a value and then you store it in an array. Creating array is the square brackets with quotation marks. You have to put the commas with the exclamation marks to make sure you spreading them, and the quotation marks of the string, so the T-Rex is a string. Then to access an element in the array, we say dinosaurs, brackets, 0, comma, which is T-Rex because JavaScript starts from 0. Then we can change the name of the array from T-Rex to Tyrannosaurus Rex. We do this by doing a dinosaur brackets O is equal to quotation marks Tyrannosaurus Rex. Here's just more examples. Then you can add a 33 more arrays, but it's just going to be undefined, which would be 24. You can mix data types, so you can store numbers, you can store strings in arrays. Okay, working with it. Find the length of array. So here you go, so you can see the length of the array would be 0, 1, 2. Okay. Adding elements to array, so we use the dot push to add an element to dot push to carry a name followed by an element that you want to add inside the parentheses. Like that. Then you use to add an element to the beginning of an array, you can use the unshift element. So dot unshift. Moving elements from array. To move the last element from any array, you can use the pop. It's often by adding dot pop parentheses to the name of the end of the array name. Dot pop. See, and then we take out the lemma. To remove and return the first element of array using array, use dot shift parentheses. You can furry animals. So there's your list. This is a string inside of an array. this is joining multiple arrays, so you can use the dot join or the plus finding array. So you go color dot index of your name that you want to find, your parentheses, your quotation marks, and your comma, and then it finds it. And if there's no purple, then it will be -1. Turning array into a string, so you use dot join and parentheses to turn it into a string. Using joining a string, a single space. So to join the strings, you use dot join and then a single space, or you can use a different type, which is the plus quotation marks plus, and that's just building on arrays. Ah, sorry about that. Once you arrive at your that's pop again, make your own design. Math random. So math random is you're returning a random number between 0 and 1 each time you call it. Rounding with math.for. So it rounds up. This takes the number and rounds it down to a whole number. So then you can times it by 4. Complete making decisions with the array. Okay. Then this is creating insults with array. So this is for a comment. And that is all for chapter 3.